What I have here is a glass of water, salt. So these is what we're going to be using for our mini experiment. Imagine this is your emotion, and imagine this is your niacinamide or tranexamic acid. I have a teaspoon or maybe half a teaspoon of salt. I want to add this to the glass of water right now. So we're going to see this in real time. I've dumped it in and I will continue to stir. Now, this is it. It has dissolved fully well. There's nothing sitting at the bottom of this water. And now we're going to try this with 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of salt. Let's do this. A heap. I would keep going. This is just 2. I will definitely keep going. So that's 3. This is what you get. You get a reasonable amount of the crystals sitting right at the bottom of the water. Now, what are we trying to talk about? What I'm trying to say is more actives isn't always better. If I drink this water right now, this that we added a lot of salt, I would feel very sick because that is just too much salt. So this is just an analogy or a way to tell you that too much actives inside your formula sometimes can ruin the formula itself. You need to understand that actives need room. They actually need a lot of room in the system. If you are supposed to use 2% of alpha arbutin max, then you say, oh no, I got too much melanin. I'm going to be using 10% of alpha arbutin in my cream. What happens to that product? You end up having sometimes irritation. You end up having dark patches, dark spots. Instead of it to actually clear off your dark spot, it is causing issues. Now, this is the reason why we always say more isn't always better. Sometimes you need very, very little amount of these ingredients for them to work and then perform well on your skin. Now, this is what we always teach you in emotion potency. In emotion potency, you're going to learn how to build bases from scratch that is really going to accommodate some of these actives. You're going to also learn how you can calculate the kind of actives you're supposed to put on your skin. This is why I will tell you guys to go take the emotion potency course on the link on my bio.